Hello everyone, in this video we will see the quantification of the hazardous waste. In previous video we have seen the introduction, then the source and the characteristics of hazardous waste. So let us start with the quantification of the hazardous waste. So coming onto the waste generation. So hazardous waste is generated from the various industries, like we can say agricultural, then the various kinds of industries, then the commercial, and as well as from the household activities. Then second, they are generated by the manufacturers of many everyday products. So we can quantify this waste generation from industries, as well as from the agricultures, as well as commercial and household products, and also generated by the manufacturing of the everyday products. Next, after waste is generated, the generator can either manage the waste on site or transport it off site for treatment, disposal, or recycling, typically to commercial hazardous waste facility. So after when the manufacturing of the product is completed, the waste which is generated after the production can be that can be either managed on the site, or that can be transported uh, to the treatment, disposal, or recycling to the hazardous waste facility. So the as I have told you that the hazardous waste can be managed. So it can be managed on-site waste, or we can say off-site waste. So in on-site waste, the hazardous waste is managed on the site where the hazardous waste is generated, and off-site waste is the waste managed at site other than where the waste is generated. So in on-site, the waste is managed at the place where the waste is generated, and off-site is the management of the waste other than the site where the hazardous waste is generated. Now, some of the common wastes and industrial sources. So coming on to it, there are four different kinds of waste we can classify, which is as per the classification. So first it is the flammable waste, second corrosive waste, third reactive waste, and last it is the toxic waste. So the flammable waste are generally uh, uh, we can say generated from the chemical manufacturings, then the laundries and the dry cleanings, then metal plates and printing shops, etc. Coming on to the corrosive waste, it is generated from the cleanings and and maintenance, then the equipments repair, vehicle body shop, etc. Coming on to the reactive waste, it is generated from the chemical in manufacturings, laboratories, etc. And last, toxic waste, which is generated from the metal manufacturing, then the photographic processing, and etc., and end user, etc. Now, hazardous waste generations or generators, we can say. So the hazardous waste generators are largely quantified from the five sectors. So the large quantity comes from the five sectors which generates the uh, waste. So the first, we can say, the first sector is chemical and pharmaceutical manufacture. Then second, it is the petroleum and coal products. Third, it is the working, or we can say metal working and fabrication. Fourth, it is the rubber and plastic manufacture. And fifth, it is the electronic and electric industry. So first, it is the chemical and pharmaceutical manufacture. So here you can see the contribution of waste from the chemical and pharmaceutical manufacture. Second, petrol and we can say petroleum and coal products industries. So here you can see the uh, about the petroleum and coal products. Third, it is the metals and refinery industries. Fourth, it is the metal working and fabrication industries. And the fifth, it is the rubber and plastic manufacturing industry. and the last it is the electronic and electric industry. So hazardous waste quantification. So in India we can say the 1,000 million of ton of hazardous waste is generated every year, and most of it is corrosive or liquid waste that is discharged into the sewage system after the approval treatment. And hazardous waste are generated by a wide variety of manufacturing and non-manufacturing facilities and process. So about half of the hazardous waste comes from the we can say chemical industry, product industry. The rest of it generated by the petroleum, electronic and metal, we can say, industry, as well as from other numerous factories or industries. So here we can see the categories of waste generators industries. So it is quantified in the three different ways. The first way is the large quantity generators, second is the small quantity generators, and third is the we can say exempt small quantity generators. So in the first, which is the last, or we can say large quantity generator. So large quantity generator is can be known as the when the waste is generated more than the 1,000 kg per month. For example, we can say chemical, pharmaceutical companies. Second, small quantity, we can say when the waste is generated between 100 to 1,000 kg per month. For example, laboratories and printers, we can say. And very small, we can say less than 1,000 kg per month. Example, we can say photographic process, etc., or we can say dental suggestions. So here we complete with the quantification of the hazardous waste. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.